Hello guys, welcome back to Mathematics. Today we are going to check what is a tally chart and how to use it. So this is an image of the typical prisoner that is counting the days that he has been there, and he used the wall to draw sticks by each day that he has spent there. But notice how hard it would be to count these days in that way that he organized that. How about if he organized in groups? Like this, notice that now is way easier to count because each group of these represent 5 days. So you would be counting by fives, and at the end, the number of days it would be easier to identify. So the important thing when using a tally chart is that you are going to do sticks by every time that something happens or every element that you want to count. And then you are just going to do four vertical sticks, and the fifth is always going to be the one that crosses all of them. That makes a group of five. Okay, five elements or five things that you are counting. So let's see an example about how to use it. So in this case, we have the age of a group of kids, and we want to organize this information easily. So first, we are going to identify what values we can find. So notice the smallest one is 3 and the biggest one is 7. So the possible values, they are going to be 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we are going to count every value. So let's see how many threes we can find. 1. Okay, let's see how many times we can find the 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, let's see the 5. Notice since it's the fifth in a group, we just cross it. 6 and 7. Again, it cross it. In this case, the number of elements is small, but when they are really, really big, this is very useful. Now, for the frequency, the only thing that we are going to do is to use the groups to count how many. So in this case, it's just 2 sticks. So 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. This one is easy because it's already crossed, so it's a group of 5. This is 4 sticks and another group of 5. So the frequency is already found. Okay, I bring this exercise for you to practice. You can pause the video, try to solve it, and come back for the solution. Okay, in this case, we have 3 elements, 3 possible values, A, B, and C. Let's see, A, B, 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 cross it, and B, and then C. Okay, now it's easy to count. 1, 2, 3. This one is a group of 5, and then 6, and a group of 3. Okay, guys, that's how we use the tally chart. Hope this was useful, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, book your lessons with me if you want, and let me any question about this topic or anything. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.